What's up, all? Clyde here with KJ Tour Sports Race, doing a little 6-box football mixer. A little fun time. Today's date is the 12th of March, 2016. I am and always only will be here because of y'all. Thank you again. There is the mixer randomized for all the box numbers beforehand. We got box 15 on Strata, box 1 on Luxe, box 2 on Leaf Ultimate, doesn't release till Monday, box 27 on Leaf Metal Draft, box 22 on Top Supreme, and box 5 on Black Gold. There we go. Thanks again, everybody, for jumping in. I appreciate it. And again, hopefully the video doesn't stutter out on us again. It's been doing that all night with breakers. So let's get everybody in there. Randomize your names first. And then randomize the teams and the letters. Good luck, y'all. Our letters are comboed up. Good luck, good luck. Roll the dice. This will be for both. We're going to go 12 times. Holy God, this is going to be a long random. Get a sandwich. Put your feet up. Get a handy. Something. It's going to be a second. Here it is. Everybody got in on the break. We got Jiho, Casey, Joseph, New Guy Mojo, Joaquin, Filden, you little whore, Devo, Chris, Michael V, New Guy Mojo, KC, New Guy Mojo. Get that other period in there. Make it Dominic, New Guy Mojo with 2. Casey again, Joaquin, Chris, John, Dayton, JB, Aaron, New Guy Mojo, Pete Dubs, John B, Bleedy Blake, Chris, Pat, Dayton, Bleedy Blake, Joaquin for 2, and James Truggs. There it is, y'all. 12 times. 1. Good luck, everybody. 2. 350. P-Dubs is always a whore on 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9er. 10. Oh my God, my finger's getting tired. 11. I feel like I'm opening up Heritage Baseball. 12th and final time. Good luck. 12. There are your spots. JB, you're in 1. All the way down. Give you guys a second to grab your numbers like the dub stepper does. To 32. All right, now the teams. Pop another random tab open just in case. There are your teams. And the teams with the letter combos up top. Going 12 times. Yeah, I'm boring. 1. Dick. 2. Dick. 3. P-Dub's a whore number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th and final time. Good luck, everybody. 12. Chargers up top. Going on down there. Going on down. All the way down to the Texans on the bottom. And here are your teams. JB, you got the Chargers. KC, New Guy Mojo with the Jags and M. Chris, you got the Steelers. Joseph, New Guy Mojo with the Bucks. The Broncos and C going to Abbott. Filden got the Cardinals and A. There you go, Filden. Don't you like the Cardinals? Michael V got the Jets. Mark, Joaquin got the Packers and K. Dayton, you got the Bills and E. Oh, Devo got the Saints and T. Aaron, you got the Raiders. The Bears and V going to Joaquin. Dominic, you got the E-Girls. Pat, you got a chance at the Bradys. Woo! With the Patriots as well. Casey, you got the Lions and J. Dayton with the Sea Chickens. The Bengals and H going to Bliggity Blake. Joaquin got the Rams and the Panthers and F. Mike, you got the Chiefs and N. JB, you got the Cowgirls and D. Blickety Blake got the Ratbirds in R. P Does with the 49ers. James, he got the Falcons in B. Jiho with the Redskins. Blickety Blake with the Vikings in S. Casey Finley got the Dolphins in P. Dominic, you got the Browns in G. Congratulations on that one. Chris, you got the tight ones. Casey got the Colts in L. JB, you got the Giants. And Chris, you got the Texans in W. Congratulations on that. The letter break? Which one? You talking about the Luxe? We just did that one a little bit ago. That one already went. Correct. Yeah, if you don't have a letter, then you don't have a chance at the new 16 draft stuff. Yeah, you just any any card that comes out with your team, you get. But again, you don't. If you don't have a letter, then the Leaf. Well, unless you have the Patriots. Patriots do have Brady. Because Brady is in Leaf Draft, Metal Draft, and Ultimate. Yes, Brady is in both.
Hi, Dad.
What's the letter from this from? Huh? What you talking about, Casey? Let me look at your teams here. Hi, kiddo. So you have J. That is... I'm trying to think of who is J. Can't think of anybody with J.
Did you know I was here?
And L. I'm trying to think of who has L. Mm-mm. Oh, that's why that door was open. I was wondering when I shut it.
And
Brady goes to Patriots because he is a Patriot. He's the only vet in the product, so he goes to his respective team. We established that before the break. Thank you, Chris. It's last name, Dustin. Last name. First letter, last name. I didn't see that till just now. All right, I'll give you guys a second to trade. Then I'll be right back. Come on, bro. You gonna watch the break? You gonna watch the break?
I said me too.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Sorry. No, I kind of figured you were in there because that door was open. That's not usually open. But I was too busy yakking. Give you guys another 5 minutes for trading. And then let me bring up the list here, and I'll tell you who has what. Won't be getting a hidden strata.
What break are you doing?
Doing the 6-box football mixer.
Cool.
Alright. Here's the break list, checklist. Cardell Jones for Jade, duh. That's the one I was stuck on. I knew there was a big J in there. That's a big hit. Who has J? Casey, you got Lions and J. That's a nice one. A lot of C's. C's actually a big one with the Broncos for John. You also, yeah, Cardell Jones is your J. That's a big one though. K. Cody Kessler. Oh, J-Ron Curse. J-Ron Curse is a redemption too. Casey, you talking about the Luxe letter break? That one already went down, brother. We did that like 2 hours ago. Cody Kessler for K.
What time is it?
Oh, we're doing that break right after we get done trading, brother. I'm just giving guys a couple seconds to trade. All right, we got Redskins for Packers. Okay. So Gino and Mark. Yeah, the letters are with this break, sir. Because you have the metal that's involved in this break. It's all going at the same time, brother. Come on, Casey. All right, Royals. Yeah, Royals. Sorry about that, brother. I only have two boxes left. No. Bengals for Packers? Uh-oh. That was a trade.
Daddy, what time is it?
Is that right? Honey, it's 10:11. Let me just... Let me go back. Was that the trade? Mark gets the Bengals. Gino gets the Packers. Okay. Any other trades, guys? Let's go ahead and print this out and get it going. If you got any more, we can write it in. Blake gets Packers. I just asked you guys. Oh, Jesus. Alright, Blake gets the Packers. I was confusing. I got it now. We got it in there. Alright, let's start opening up some boxes. And you got until I open the first pack to trade. Well, you can trade until whatever, but let's start getting cards out. Here we go. We got the Supreme box. Oh, no. Jumbo book. Royals, did you see my answer? Cut that open. We're going to do the Leaf Metal and the Leaf Ultimate last. Luxurious. Strata. Do the Panthers... I'm pretty sure they do. Yeah, Panthers have F. So you have F with the Panthers. And black gold. So Strata on the bottom. Lux. No, Strata first. Lux, and then black gold. All right, let's do Strata first. You guys ready? Let me hear some rivets. Got some frogs in the room. All right, frog. Rip Hamilton. All right, here we go. First up, for the tight ones, number 275 out of 8 bazillion. Trey McBride. Wrong Titan. Wrong Titan, Clyde. And that's going to go out to Chris. Chris takes first hit, Mojo. Second hit out of Strata. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Carlos Williams for the Bills. That's solid. I like it. Make my pee-pee tickle. The Bills. Going out to Dayton. There you go, Dayton. This little Carlos Williams action. All right, let's do one of the black golds. We just opened up the box of Strata so far. So nothing big yet. All right, for the Ratbirds, number 25 out of 25, Juan Richard Perriman. Gold mine. Ratbirds. Who they going to? Who get them? Ratbirds going out to Bliggity Blake. Next up, team symbols. Number 4 out of 49, Marcus Mariota for the tight ones. There's the right one. Going out to Chris. The first box ever of that with a Patriot? What are you talking about? Next up, number 190 out of 199, Tom Brady for the Patriots. Patriots! Who got him? Patriots going out to Pat. You did it, Pat. You got a Tom Brady. You did it. I'm so proud of you. And our first hit out of this box, numbered 173 out of 199, David Johnson, Golden Ground Game. One color tampon. For the Cardinals. Cardinals going to who? I don't know. Where are they at? Cardinals going to Philden. There you go, Philden. Oh, without. Yes, I see now. And our auto patch. Sizable signatures. 67 out of 199 for the Jags. Rashad Green. Boo! Rigged! Jags. Are going out to KC Finley. New guy Mojo. Alright, let's do a pack of Supreme. Good luck, guys. You got Demaryius Thomas for the Donkeys, number 30 out of 99. Denver Donkeys. Oh, God. Going out to John. There you go, Abbott. Number 101 out of 194, AP for the Vikings. Copper. Vikings going out to Bliggity Blake. Sean Mannion base for the Rams. And nice for the Packers. Numbered 11 out of 25. Boom on the Jordy Nelson. That's gross. Vet auto. Nice hit for the Packers. Packers going out to Bliggity Blake on the trade. Mark is kicking himself in the fanny right now. Well, more like in the taint. Blake's giggling all the way. Nice trade action on that one. Dude, Supreme just keeps hitting, man. I love Supreme. That was actually the last box of the previous case. So all the case hits are live in the new case sitting up there. Just one box missing. Grody. Alright, last pack of black gold, then we'll get into that Luxe, and then we'll get into those Leafs. Ooh, yeah. Oh, nice. Alright, again, for the Lions, number 23 out of 99, Quitter, Megatron. Quitter! Megatron's going to who? Going to Casey. Next up, seal of approval, number 22 out of 149, Tom Brady again. It's a Brady box for the Patriots. Patriots going out to Pat. You did it, Pat. You did it, man. 2 Bradys. Dick punch you when you come closer. Don't dick punch me. That's not nice. Number 71 out of 99, Richard Sherman for the Sea Chickens. Sea Chickens get a hit. Kinda. Going out to Dayton. And first hit on this side, Gold Prospecting, number 190 out of 199, Quad Relic, DGB for the tight ones. Wrong time again, going out to Chris. And the auto on this side, it is Metallic Marks, number 24 out of 99, my favorite looking card in this product, MG3 for the Chargers. Chargers going out to JB. Oh, God, my phone just had a conniption. JB gets that. All right, here we go with Luxe. Oh, good. We get a 5-hitter, too. Nice. All right, first up for the Brown Eyes, number 23 out of 25, Travis Benjamin. 2-color. The Brown Eyes. Brown's going out to Dominic P. New guy, Mojo. Number 3 out of 7, blue die cut for the Colts. Andrew Not So Lucky. 3 out of 7. I like it. Colts going out to Casey. Here you go, Casey. Oh, wow. What? 5 out of 7. This case of Luxe is gross. For the 49ers, boom, Goats, Jerry Rice. What? Wow. 49ers going out to fucking P-Dubs. He does it again. Wow. P-Dubs. Look at you with the Rice die cut to 7. Dude, I'm telling you, man. Wow, dude. Wow. Oh, I love Rice too, man. Goat, baby. Out of 7. Number 38 out of 99 for the Jags, Rashad Green. Red frame. Rigged! Such horse shit. Slut's gone nuts. The Jags. Where the Jags? Jags going out to KC Finley, new guy Mojo. And last hit out of Luxe. Number 99 out of 99. That's the eBay Juan de Juan. Jock Bell. Joey Bell, whatever. That guy. Lions. Lions are going out to whom? Going out to Casey. Alright, that's it for the regular cards. Now let's get into some metal. We'll do metal first, and then ultimate last. These are all over the place. Alright, first up for the letter S. Nelson Spruce from CU. S going out to Bliggity Blake. There you go, Blake. Next up for the letter C from Michigan State. Shalik Calhoun. C. It's going out to Abbott. You've never seen a Wentz? Well, let's look for one. And the C strikes again. Leonte Carew. Blue, number 26 out of 50 from Rutgers. C again. Going out to Abbott. Next up, for the B spot, DeForest Buckner from Oregon, right? Yeah, DeForest Buckner from Oregon for the B. Going out to Trugs. Doug, you're not even in the break. And a red for the letter D, numbered 4 out of 5, Brandon Dottie. For the D spot. Going out to JB. 4 out of 5 on that one, brother. The Western Kentucky Hilltoppers. Woo! Alright, last box of the break. Good luck, everybody. Leaf Ultimate. Let's see a Brady to go with that Rice, right? Alright, first up from USC, Trey Madden going out to the M spot. No, wait, what? What? What's up, Gubby? M is Casey Finley. You had B? James S? Yeah, James S. for Falcons. Yeah, that's you. Did I say something else? Sorry, man. I got you on there. Trey Madden for the M spot. Alright, next up, number 5 out of 20. Boom! Shit! For the D spot, going to JB, 5 out of 20 on the Josh Doxson. Wow! Gross, dude. 5 out of 20 on that one. Nice Doxson, man. Gross. From TCU. Kid's a beast. Next up, number 10 out of 10, Kenneth Dixon for the D spot. D is going crazy, and so is C. Going out to JB. He was what, Florida? No, Louisiana Tech. I always confuse him. I always think he was from the Florida Gators, but he's actually from Louisiana Tech. Next up. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. That's got to be a $1,000 card coming up after this one. Wow. All right, for the A spot, going out to Filden, Brandon Allen. Brandon Allen, the A spot. Where did he play? Filden, where'd he go to? I don't know what school he's from. Looks like Arizona. Was it Arkansas? I didn't like that. Holy God, this is huge. Huge. Number 2 out of 2, red. Wow, who has this? 2 out of 2, red. Boom! On the Tom fucking Brady, red. On card, 2 out of 2 for the Patriots. Going out to Pat with Viking. Shit, man. Wow. Wow, brother. Oh, my God. 2 out of 2, red. Brady, baby. That is disgusting. Wow. That is incredible, my man. All right, let's hit recap it. Pretty good fucking break, man. Wow. We had the Jerry Rice to 7 die cut. Andrew Luck to 7 die cut. Travis Benjamin, Marius Thomas, AP, Jordy Nelson, the 25. The Golden Graphs of David Johnson, Carlos Williams, Trey McBride. Jock Bell, Rashad Green, MG3, DGB, Richard Sherman. This is a Tom Brady kind of break. Tom Brady, Megatron, Rashad Green again, Tom Brady again, Mariota, Brashard Perryman, and holy God. Brandon Allen, Kenneth Dixon, Josh Doxson, boom. Trey Madden, Brandon Doughty, red. DeForest Buckner, Leonte Carew, Shalik Calhoun, Nelson Spruce, and the hit of the break, Tom Brady, 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Wow. Congratulations to those that hit. Those did not hit, I apologize, but what a break. Thanks again, everybody. I appreciate it.